in today's video, what are we gonna do?
Tie-dye!
Yeah! Oh, Sarai, let me see your tie-dye decoration. Well, wrapping, sorry. So for her, she wants like the swirly. So we did like that little swirl in the middle of the shirt. And then we just wrapped it around into like a little triangle. Hopefully it turns out well. Are you excited? Yeah. So, what about you, Dalia? So for hers, we learned this on online. And we took little pebbles from our driveway because our driveway has pebbles. And we put them wrapped around the shirt. And we're just going to see how it turns out. And then for mine, we did...
crunchy!
Yes. I just did the crumble effect. And I'm going to add lots of blues since I do have the stitch one here. Yeah, I was going to return this, but I decided not to because we're going to do the tie-dye. So... are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Yeah. So this is how they ended up. This one was the one with the rocks inside. And then this one was the one with the swirl. And then this one was the crumble. The stitch sweater. So we'll go see